Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to convert your Base44 app into the APK file. So guys, if you want to convert your web app into the APK file, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all guys, you simply publish your application first you choose your project which you want to convert into the APK. Then guys, click the option of publish. After that, here you see the option of publish, so just click it and publish your app. And now your app is now live, so you just click on this link and here you see that your app is now live. Now you just copy this URL and open a new link where you simply search the web app to Android APK. Now simply go for the first one. Make sure that you use the median.com. It is one of the best website that helps you to create high quality app without native development. So you just click and paste the link. Now guys, click the option of build your app. So now it start building your app. Here it asks some basic details like your name of your app, about the email, and just click the option of start building. So here you see that I am already created one application which is in my draft. So I am just open because for conversion it's take around 5 to 10 minutes. So you just click here. Now I'm choose the Android because I like to convert this application for my Android. Now guys, here you see the option of download. Now you click the option of download. So guys, here is for the iOS source code and Android APK and apk.abb. So you just click the option of build. So I am already build it and just click it and download the APK. So it will take few seconds to download. So you just click and your download is start. And guys, here you see the extension of my application that I am download is .apk. Okay, so now you can share it with your Android and you can download and enjoy your application. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.